Hey everyone, today we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to add view-only wallets on your Trust Wallet. So adding a view-only wallet on Trust Wallet is a simple way to track your crypto without risking your funds. So this is an example or um, step by Trust Wallet itself. You want to first open your how do you call this Trust Wallet app, and then at the top corner you want to go to settings, you want to go to wallets and then plus sign, choose an existing wallet, then choose view only wallet. Select the blockchain network you want to add for that address. Optionally, you can name the wallet. Finally, paste in the address you want to watch and select confirm. Here is a little video right here. I'm going to select a network for that. Go to address and then paste the address that the network you choose, and then right here you are now set.